to show you how good I am at burping. So, I'll beat your little ass up, kid. How about that, kid candy? Like a kid in a candy store. Dun, dun, dun. I'm gonna go to the playground. Make sure you go check out Nanny Boo Boo in the next video.